What's the inspiration behind the concept of zero pressure performance video?
I think it's
Parang
game ba?
O parang mga characters kami sa game.
Parang may mga role kami.
May mission
Feeling ko
lahat.
Parang sa Tekken.
Oo.
Parang isa-isang may character ganyan. Tapos meron kaming mga symbols.
Is this magnet?
Hindi ko alam na
Emblem.
Loob kami ng
Magnet
game.
ba to, baby?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ba't ang
It's
cute?
very, din siya, mga diamonds, yung outfits namin, ganyan, mga
Parang
silver.
warriors.
Oo, tapos iba-iba, parang God of War.
Oh. Yung prettier version.
Yes.
Yeah, and feminine version.
Yumi us,
Yumi us,
it, Yumi us helped us to achieve that kind of concept. Thank you po.
And to our glam team and to our stylists. Ari-ay.
Ano
Isang
nakalagay
araw
dito?
lang yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Isang araw
Diba?
lang siya. Tapos, doon kami sa isang museum. Hindi namin sabihin kung saan.
Pero alam nyo na yun.
Oo, alam nyo na yun. Pero museum siya. Tapos
Parang
parang,
yun, di ba? Parang
Oo.
acting nga lang eh. Kasi start tayo yung mga
oo. Tapos parang lang kami. Doon lang umikot yung location namin ng photoshoot, nung sayaw, nung performance video and everything. Tapos saya lang niya, ang chill kasi ang dami, efficient lahat gumalaw ng tao. So, we maximized our time there. Okay. Ito, this is question number 3 from Kani_Guan. Paano po na-achieve yung short hair ni Gwen sa zero pressure performance video?
Oh, wait lang guys. Actually, may revelation kami para sa inyo. Kasi, actually, naka-extensions lang ako ngayon. At i-reveal natin siya dito sa live. Wait lang, hold the mic for
Okay.
me.
Go.
Wait, let's reveal it.
Okay.
Alin?
Nahulog.
She's so good.
Wow.
She's so good.
Alam mo, tika ako naniwala.
Si Mika din niya, ha?
I-reveal.
Like, it's the same color na, di ba? Oh, you tell
So guys, kasi may nakita ko tweet baliktad. Sabi niya, so naka-extension section ngayon? Guys, it's just sweet, you know. It's just sweet.
And only
Yeah.
What's the story behind
Thank
that?
you so much for our glam team, for the moral support, for the effort, for the vision, for the imagination.
pull off.
That color.
You
thought you ate?
Hint
You
it to
thought you
ano, ganun.
You ate, Gwen.
You ate, bebe. You ate.
Oh,
You're so
thank,
full.
oh,
You ate
oy,
a lot.
napindot ko.
Right.
Ito, ano to? Gumagana pa ba to?
Yeah, I don't know.
Thank you guys. Thank you sa mga nagustuhan. Actually,
Sweet.
maganda yung concept talaga ngayon, di ba? In general.
Parang
Yeah.
ikaw, bias kita, Gwen.
Bias din kita, Ray.
Ay, huwag na.
Parang na,
You're my bias. Ba't kulay green na siya?
I don't know.
Pwede ko
Is it still working? Ayan, blue. Ayan.
Last question.
Last question from
Pwede po looking.
Wag po look.
yung
Ano
camera.
yung camera po?
Yung hawak niyo
Maybe up lang.
Ang laki pa ng ulo namin.
Feeling ko ganito na lang din tayo.
Yeah.
More pa po.
So next.
Question from Julia Calpo. For this world tour, which city are you most nervous to visit? Excuse me.
Ako London. Kasi never ko na
Me too, London.
Me, I'm excited to go to Houston
Oh.
because there's a space park there.
Saan ka nga raw nervous?
Nervous. Nervous?
Relax naman tayo. Woo!
Kaya nga. Bakit nervous?
Sabi kasi dun eh. Sabi kasi ni Jillian eh.
Bakit nervous ka sa
Ba't ka na nagtanong?
Bakit nervous ka sa London?
Kasi parang for
It's
me,
her first
intimidating
time.
siya. So parang,
Kasi naka-states.
it's first time. So parang,
Ah.
tsaka nakikita ko siya sa mga videos, parang wow.
It's very cold,
Nakakakaba.
raining, gloomy. No, it's not.
Thank you, Jillian, for your wonderful question.